Hello everyone, in today's video, we will be examining whether there are any duplicate customers in our customer table. Let's start by creating a push-down rule. We can name the rule appropriately. Let's select the database connection. Select the table, demographic information. Let's look at the data present in demographic information. It has the demographic data for the customer, first name, middle name, last name, email. Now, let's write a query to identify duplicate customer IDs. We can see there are a few customers having duplicate entries. We can publish this rule and execute the rule. Our rule is executed and it's generating a warning indicating that there are 6 duplicates present in our data. We can examine in detail which exact 6 duplicates are present in the data. We can see customer IDs with duplicate entries. Thus we can find duplicates in our table using iceDQ. Thank you.
With iceDQ, automate data migration testing, ETL and big data testing, BI report testing, and production data monitoring. Get iceDQ today.